वास्को बँक ऑफ इंडिया एटीएमा लागसारची घडणूक. दिसा उजवाडा उत्तम कुमार ह्या आरोप्यान वास्कोंत 6 वर्सां पिरायेच्या चलयेचें अपहरण करपाचो यत्न केल्लो. जागृत नागरिकांक लागून आरोप्याचो हो यत्न फसलो. वास्को पुलिशेन ह्या आरोप्याक ताब्यांत घेतला म्हण वास्को पीआय नालास्को रापोसून म्हायती दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
Around 11 a.m. in the morning, we received a phone call from an unknown person informing that a person is apprehended while attempting to kidnap a child near Bank of India, Vasco. Subsequently, PSI Vikas Dekar proceeded to the spot and the apprehended person has been brought at this police station, and we are in the process of registering the offence and will take further action as per law.
What is the child's father complaint?
We are yet to record it. We are in the process of recording.